Dear students, today I am going to take topologies. You know that topology is a way of connecting devices with each other either physically or logically. There are 5 types of topologies: mesh topology, star topology, best topology, tree topology, and ring topology. The first one is mesh topology. Here, point to point link is used. You already know there are 2 types of network, that is point to point and server client architecture. But in mesh topology, point to point link is used between each dedicated node. The link carries traffic only between the 2 connected devices. And also you can find out how many links between the computers. Therefore, suppose there are 5 computers, you can find it out by using a formula n into n minus 1 divided by 2. According to that, for 5 computers there are 10 links needed. In the figure, there are 5 computers. You can find out how many lines or how many links are there. Here 5 links. Next we have to study about the advantages and disadvantages of mesh topology. The advantages of mesh topology is a robust and also fault identifications and fault isolation are very easy. Expansion and modification without disrupting other nodes, and also privacy or security of data. Disadvantages of mesh topology is very high expensive to set up and involves high maintenance cost. And also setup and maintenance is very difficult. The hardware required to connect each link can be prohibitively expensive. The second topology is star topology. You know that star topology, there is a one more external device is used, that is known as hub. Hub is used for communicating device. Hub is used as a communicating device, is connected to the all the computers are connected to the hub. And this device hub is actually if you wanted to send a message from first computer to last computer, then that messages are only passes through the hub, and Ethernet cable is used here. Here is the figure of the star topology. The central controller is hub and other nodes are maybe computer or printer. The advantages of star topology. Here fewer wires are required and installation and maintenance are very easy and takes less time. Easy to detect fault. Rate of data transfer is also fast. Removal or addition of any node can take place easily without affecting the entire performance of the network. Disadvantages of star topology. The first disadvantage is here an extra hardware is required, that is known as hub, and all nodes are dependent on central hub. If any problem occurs in hub, makes the entire network shut down. And also if the hub is slow, what happens now? The entire network also slows down. Next is best topology. It is a multi-point configuration, that is several devices are connected to a main long cable which acts as a bond. Here in the figure you can see that backbone, no, there is a long main long cable is there, act as a backbone, and the nodes are connected by drop lines and tabs. There is a drop line Through that drop lines and tabs, nodes are connected. The data flows from one end of the cable to the other. That either end of this backbone is known as terminator. However, all the signals, as the signal travels a long distance, sometimes it weaker and weaker, then need a repeater for strengthening the signals. Next we have to study about the advantages of best topology and disadvantages of best topology. Advantages: nodes are connected to or removed easily from the network. It requires less cable length than the star topology. Best network is easy to implement and can be extended up to a certain limit. And also it works well for small networks. Disadvantages of best topology are: if there is a fault or break in a main cable, the entire network shut down. And terminators are required at both ends of the backbone cable. Fault isolation is also difficult to detect if the entire network shut down. The signal becomes weaker if number of nodes become larger. Then the next topology is ring topology. Here in the figure you can see that the structure is in the form of a ring, and server is there and computers also there. Therefore, each node is connected to two other nodes on either side of it, forming a ring network. It shows the line configuration in which each node is connected to one predecessor node and one successor node. And signals is transmitted only in one direction, that is in clockwise direction. When the data is transmitted from one node to its recipient node, the intermediate node regenerates the signal. That means it works as a repeater also and passes the signal to the destination node. Example for ring topology is token ring. Then advantages of ring topology. The data transmitted in one direction only. Therefore, the transmission rate increases. The adding or removing of network nodes is easy as the process requires changing only two connections. The configuration makes it easy to identify faults in network nodes. Each node transmits the data to its next node in a ring, and it is a relatively cheaper as compared to star topology. Disadvantages: if there is a fault in single node, it can cause the entire network to fail. Transmission speed becomes slower with an increase in the number of nodes. If there is any fault or break in the cable in which all other nodes are connected, the entire network shut down. And proper communication between each node, it is required that each computer must be turned on. And the last topology is tree topology. In tree topology, all or some of the devices are connected to the central hub, and that is known as active hub, and some devices are connected to the secondary hub, that is known as passive hub. Server, the repeater that generates the signal when it becomes weaker with the longer distances. A passive hub simply provides a connection between all other connecting nodes. Advantages of tree topology. Each star segment gets a dedicated link from the central bus. Thus, failing of one segment does not affect the rest of the network. fault identification is easy. The network can be expanded by the addition of secondary nodes, that is, scalability is achieved. Disadvantages of tree topology. As multiple segments are connected to the central bus, the network depends heavily on the bus. In that case, the failure affects the entire network. Owing to its size and complexity, maintenance is not easy and costs are high and configuration also very difficult. Though it is scalable, the number of nodes that can be added depend on the capacity of the central node and on the cable type. Some of the factors are taken into consideration before selecting the topology are cost, flexibility, reliability. Then review questions also given here. Some of the review questions are, what are the factors that must be considered before making a choice for the topology? What are the limitations of star topology? Write 2 advantages and 2 disadvantages of best topology. Differentiate between tree and best topology. And identify the type of the topology. That question also given. In it, each node is connected with the help of single coaxial cable. Can you guess which topology? Second one, in it, each node is connected with the help of independent cable with the help of a central switching node. Can you guess? Then next question, state reason why star topology requires more cable length than best topology. When do you think ring topology becomes the best choice for a network? These are the review questions given here. Thank you.